Perfect. So, Sanjana, a very
Yes, ma'am.
simple, basic question.
Yes, ma'am.
Talk about your hobbies, Sanjana.
Ma'am, my hobbies is love to travel and explore new places and listening music in free timing.
Okay. All right. So, what sort of music do you prefer?
It's according to mood, ma'am. When if when I am happy, so then I listen the happy mood song. It's depend upon situation.
So, when you're sad, what is the choice of songs that you play?
Most probably Arjit Singh.
Arjit Singh. Okay. All right.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
seems like he's your favorite singer.
Yeah, ma'am. And
You like
Darshan Raval also.
Darshan Rawal. Yes, absolutely. Right, right. He's amazing.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
great. Nice. So, what do you do other than listening songs, Sanjana?
Um, Other than listening songs, ma'am, I exploring the whatever I learned in PSK technologies. I explore new things to improve my skills, and a part of that, I watch the series.
Okay. So, what is the current series, or what is the name of the current series that you're watching?
Um, Ma'am, now I'm watching the that lady, Lapata ladies.
Lapata Ladies.
Yeah,
Is that a series? I thought it's
It's a movie actually.
yeah.
A part of that, I whenever I get the time, then I watched. Not,
Yeah.
I'm not addict
No.
to it.
Okay, relax. You can relax.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right, Sanjana, tell me about yourself when we talk about your qualification and what all you have done so far.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sanjana Prashant Kashimkar. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I completed my bachelor's degree from Guru Nanak Institute of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. And also I have done my diploma from KDK College of Engineering in Computer Technologies. Now I currently work as a graphic designer and digital marketer at PSK Technologies Private Limited IT company. And my strength is I'm good learner and good learner, and I'm self motivated person. And um, my family background is I'm four members, including me. That's all. That's all about me. Thank you.
Okay, great. So I give you two options,
Yeah,
beauty
ma'am.
and brain. What would you like to choose and why? You can choose only one.
Choose one. Ma'am, of course, brain. Because uh, all God made girls already beauty. So brain is also brain is wait, ma'am. Actually, this is loose. Hmm. Actually, ma'am, brain I choose because uh, if we want to survive, uh, we need brain and patience. Likewise, and because, ma'am, actually, how can I explain? Ma'am, start. Huh. Ma'am, I choose brain because all girls having a beauty already, and if we want to survive in our uh, universe, so we have to face the situation and handle the situation, what whatever situation behind. um Ma'am, that's
Okay, we can stop here then, Sanjana. Thank you. Yes, so what happened, Sanjana? Interview over. Now tell me what happened. Why were you nervous? Do I look scary to you?
Ma'am, actually, I'm getting little bit nervous in front of interview. I have lack of confidence. I just overcome my confidence, but
No, you still have good confidence. I will not say you have lack of confidence. You can improve more on your confidence. Sanjana,
yeah, ma'am.
first rule. I'll
Yes,
give
ma'am.
you your improvement points later. But
Yeah,
first
ma'am.
thing that I want you to know and learn and understand is that
Yes, ma'am.
observe the way that you are talking to yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
When you say, I have lack of confidence, your brain says, okay, lack of confidence, fine. I have lack of confidence. I'm not going to improve now. This is not what you should be saying because it is all fed in your subconscious mind. So please
Mhm.
be careful of how you talk to yourself.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
say instead of that, you could say, I am working on my confidence level.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I want to say that, but for
It's okay. It is okay. It happens. So always mind what you are saying to yourself because it is one of the most important things that you should be doing. If
yeah,
you
ma'am.
tell yourself, you go wake up every morning, you go in front of the mirror and talk to yourself and say, Sanjana, girl, you are super smart. You are confident. You can nail the day.
Yes, ma'am.
Trust me, you say this to yourself 5 times and you see the magic that happens in the day.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
take this as one of the important lessons today that always mind to what you're talking to yourself.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am. Sure.
And let's talk about your interview now. Fine. So I want you to work on a couple of things when we
Yeah.
talk about grammar. Number one is your tenses. There is
Yeah.
no word called choose in English. It's chosen. So please, in between you said something like choose. You used ed there. It should be chosen. Use the
Okay, ma'am.
correct verb forms.
Yeah, ma'am.
So tenses is one thing, verb forms is second that I want you to work. And my hobbies is to travel. No, my hobbies are plural, right? Should be
Yeah,
are,
ma'am.
not is.
Okay,
SVA,
sorry, ma'am. Yeah,
subject
ma'am.
verb agreement.
Yeah, ma'am.
I don't want you or neither I expect you to become Merriam-Webster or Oxford Dictionary. No, I don't want that. But know few basics so that when you are trying to say, you say it correct.
Yeah,
Trust me,
ma'am.
Sanjana, knowing a few grammar rules can actually make you sound confident when you're talking to people.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
that's a trick. When you know grammar correctly, you know people are not going to mess up with you.
Yeah, ma'am.
It's right
Sure.
there. So that's number one tip that I would like to give you. Another thing is I exploring. Where is I am exploring? I'm sure
I
it is coming out of nervousness. You already know that with I we use am, but please be
yes, ma'am.
mindful when you are talking.
Okay,
If you
ma'am.
think you are going to miss the train, go slow. We don't have to rush. Take a couple of minutes to slow down, think what you have to say, and then speak instead of saying something which is incorrect.
Yeah, ma'am.
Next important thing, I want you to see your pronunciation. It's not opportunity. It's not opportunity. It's opportunity.
Opportunity.
Opportunity. Please, it's not technology. Technology.
Technology.
Technology. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not computer. It's computer. Choose the right syllable to stress on. From where will you get this? Go on cambridgedictionary.com, put the word that you want to know the right pronunciation, and from there you will understand the right pronunciation of the words.
Okay, ma'am.
Every day, sorry,
Yes, ma'am. Again, which the dictionary you said?
cambridgedictionary.com.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Pick cambridgedictionary.com to get the right pronunciation of the words. Every day, try to pick 2 to 3 words, know their right pronunciation, and try to use it. Trust
Yeah,
me,
ma'am.
you do it for a month or two, you will have good command on the sounds of English.
Sure.
Okay,
Sure, ma'am.
great. And very important thing, when you introduce yourself, we are focusing on the intonation also. So at some point of time, you were sounding as if you're singing. My name is na 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 na. So why that rhythm when you're talking to somebody? If I talk to you in Hindi, will you also start using the same rhythm? No, you won't, right?
No, no, ma'am.
So why English? I mean, English has its own melody. Try to stick to that melody. Do not bring into any other language influence in English. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So I
Yes,
guess
ma'am.
enough of it, enough of improvements that I've given you now. I'm sure you're going to work on it. All right. Do you have any questions for me?
Ma'am, thank you that you gave me the feedback. Actually, I want the feedback of yours. What my uh, ma'am, can I speak in Hindi?
Continue.
थैंक यू मैम एक्चुअली मैम मतलब ऐसा बात करने में थोड़ा सा हिचकिचाहट होती है मतलब ऐसे इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स मैं बात कर सकती हूँ बट थोड़ा सा नर्वसनेस फील होता है तो उसको ओवरकम कैसे कर सकते हैं मैम
Why do you think you're nervous?
मैम बिकॉज लैक ऑफ इंग्लिश vocabulary and lack of English practice that's why
You have the answer. Do you want me to give you the solution?
myself and also give the feedback.
I'll give you a very simple. There are a couple of apps. You could just see the one that is genuine. You can download that in your phone and they give you a proper practice. So there will be a AI or a machine who is going to say a dialogue, and then second dialogue you would say, then third dialogue that machine would say. It's like a conversation that you're going to have every day. So
मैम
probably that can help. Yeah.
या मैम ये कंटिन्यू
And when you are at workplace, please note that you try to speak in English as much as possible.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
actually, I used to talk in English in with the AI. Now the WhatsApp having the AI tool from past 2 days. So I used to talk with AI to improve my
I
English.
I want an app wherein the other, I mean, that AI is also reciprocating, giving you replies and something of that sort that will build up conversation.
Yeah,
And when I talk about vocabulary, every day try to pick minimum one word, one or 2 words that are new to you. Your brain is not familiar with it. Try to use it as much as you can. And with the frequent usage of that word, it will register in your brain. And then when you'll try
yeah,
to do
ma'am.
some free speech, those words will come when you are talking, just like any other language, like your Hindi and Marathi. So just like that.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
try
ma'am.
doing this. All
Yes,
the
ma'am.
best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.